Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
We arrived in Maui very late on the first day, so let's just skip to the next one. On our first full day in Maui, we decided to pick up some Krispy Kreme donuts in the morning for our long drive on the road to Hana. This road's essentially a scenic drive along the coast, and there's tons of scenic stops along the way. These rainbow eucalyptus trees are very famous, and yeah, the trees look like they've been painted on, but the colors are completely natural. At the halfway to Hana stand, they have really famous banana bread and pineapple juice, so we picked that up and it was super good.
Missing someone. Is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
On our third day in Maui, we headed to Haleakala National Park, and if you're going to visit, definitely bring a thick jacket as it gets super cold because of the elevation. This is the site of Haleakala, which is a massive shield volcano that's currently dormant, and you can also see Haleakala crater on the right. It was actually my mom's birthday, so that evening we went to Fleetwood's on Front Street and we ordered some mahi-mahi, beef Wellington, and steak. I didn't take too much footage this day, so here's a look into where we stayed in Maui. And here's a look into our room. The next day, there was actually a wind warning, so we decided to spend the morning indoors at the Maui Ocean Center. After a quick lunch at a pho restaurant, we headed to Front Street for dessert, and we tried some Hawaiian shaved ice, which honestly was a bit underwhelming. The Dole Whip is much better. I did a bunch of snorkeling on this day, and this footage was taken using a GoPro. This was our last day in Maui, and we switched to a different hotel. And then we spent the day just relaxing by the beach, snorkeling, and yeah, just enjoying the last bit of tropical weather. and I finally managed to see some sea turtles. If you want to see them, you don't have to go to a specific beach or anything. You can really find them anywhere. And for dinner, we grabbed some local seafood at 2 highly rated restaurants nearby, and honestly, it was probably the best meal we had in Maui. So this is our final day. After breakfast, we headed to the airport. Just a little disclaimer, no, I did not just go on vacation in the middle of a pandemic. This was filmed last year, last winter. Hope you all stay healthy and well.